What's up guys, it's your girl Imani Nicole and I am back with another video. So the month of October is all about keeping your hair moisturized for the new season, which is my favorite season, fall. I'm going to be doing a style using Aunt Jackies Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard. You can kiss frizzy, hard to tame hair goodbye with this curl custard. It gives you long lasting bounce to your curls. It adds shine and definition to spirals and coils. You can use it for any of your signature styles that you may enjoy doing. I will be doing a flat twist with 3 Bantu knots on the side, so just keep watching to learn how I achieve this look. Okay, so the Curl Lala Defining Custard, you can use it for scrunchy tight curls, and with this you'll just apply it generously to wet or dry hair and use a diffuser while scrunching the style into place, or you can allow it to air dry. For elongated or bouncier curls, you can apply it to wet or dry hair, gently stretching the curls with your fingers as you style. You can also use a diffuser or hooded dryer, allowing your curls to air dry. I went in and did twists. So for coils, braid outs, or twist or flat twist, you apply a small amount to each section of your wet or dry hair. You can roller set it, perm rod set it, whatever you prefer. Braid or twist each section, and then you sit under a hooded dryer, allow it to completely air dry, then release each section and style as usual. And it really does do a good job with frizz. I found using this line, it really defined my curls. I really didn't have a problem with definition. It smells, it's not like on my high list of some good smelling products, but it's not a bad smell at all. It definitely has a clean smell and it gives your hair a tingling feeling when you apply it to your hair. Hey guys, so it is now the next day and I am going to unravel my flat twist. I added some purple jewels to my Bantu knots just to give it that whole Halloween look. Purple and orange is October's colors, so I just wanted to keep it in a color scheme. So here I'm just unraveling my twist, and I'm gonna do this throughout the video. My twists were really soft. I didn't experience any flaking, no hard cast, no crunchy feel. So this is what I definitely love and look for in a product. So I definitely will be using the Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard again. So yeah, keep watching for the final look. as you all may know, you cannot do a twist out without picking those roots for some volume. So I'm just going in with my handy dandy pick, picking my hair out to give it that lifted volume that I like. And yeah, we're almost done, guys. Alright guys, so this concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial using the Aunt Jackies Curls and Coils Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you like seeing videos like this as far as tutorials or product reviews, feel free to comment down below. Hit that bell button down below to get notified every time your girl posts, and I will catch y'all later. Bye.